Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys button layout style guys. How can we update? Friends, you want to update guys your button layout style. So how can you update today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we update guys this phone button layout. So guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys to update guys this button layout style guys. So guys, we will on it, and guys after on guys we will on guys the search bar guys, we will search here guys navigation setting guys, system navigation setting guys, we will search here guys phone navigation setting guys. So as you can see guys your phone navigation setting guys, wait for a while guys. So as you can see system navigation setting guys, we will tap here guys, and direct guys you can see get this more setting we will tap here. So as you can see guys your more setting, and as you can see choose your layout. So as you can see there are only two guys you will set here. So guys you can back from here guys, you want to back from your right side, so you will have to tap here, then guys we can back from here. So like the guy we can update guys our phone button layout style in our Infinix phone device. So as now guys we can back from this right side. So I hope friends you understood how to update phone button layout styles. Bye guys.